Welcome to Kaiko Lessons. The chapter which we are going to discuss today is Nasruddin's Aim, which is taken from the book Marigold, English, Class 4, NCERT syllabus. And this is Prithvi Vinod who is going to present you this video. Nasruddin's Aim. Giving them to Nasruddin, he said, "Here, Nasruddin, take this bow and arrows." Then pointing towards a target, he said, "Aim at that target and shoot an arrow." Nasruddin held the bow in his hands, strung it, aimed at the target, and shot an arrow. Oof! The arrow didn't hit the target. Instead, it fell down somewhere in the middle. Ha ha, ha ha. His friends started laughing. They said, "Hey Nasruddin, is this your best aim?" "Oh no, not at all," said Nasruddin, defending himself. "This wasn't my aim. It was Asad's aim. I just showed you how the Asad shoots an arrow." Saying this, Nasruddin picked up another arrow. Once again, he strung the bow, aimed at the target, and shot the arrow. This time, the arrow fell a little further than where it had fallen before. But it certainly didn't hit the target. They asked Nasruddin, "And this must be how you shoot an arrow." "Of course not," argued Nasruddin. "Even this aim was not mine. It was the chief god's aim." Now somebody remarked, "Well, now who is next on the list?" Hearing this, all the friends burst out laughing. Nasruddin didn't say a word. He quietly picked up one more arrow. And again, and this time, Nasruddin was really lucky. The arrow hit bang on the target. Everybody stared at Nasruddin, their mouths agape in amazement. Before anyone could say anything, Nasruddin said triumphantly, "Did you see that? It was my aim." What are the new words given in this lesson? Chatting, archery, string, bang, target, defending, amazement, and triumphantly. Let us see the meanings and make sentences for the new words. Chatting, to talk in a friendly way. I was chatting on Facebook with my friend. Archery, shooting with a bow and an arrow. I took part in archery competition in school. String, a thread that can be twisted. The cloths were hanging on the string. Target, the aim of an attack. He was our target in the match. Defending, to protect from harm or danger. The man was defending himself against theft. Amazement, a feeling of great surprise or wonder. She shook her head in amazement. Triumphantly, having achieved victory. She shouted triumphantly after winning the match. Reading is fun. What did Nasruddin boast about? Nasruddin boasted about his excellent skill in archery. Why did Nasruddin take someone else's name each time he missed the target? Nasruddin took someone else's name each time he missed the target so as to hide himself from the shame of not being able to aim the target. Why did Nasruddin say, "It was my aim" the third time? Nasruddin said, "It was my aim" the third time because finally he was by then able to aim the target successfully. Do you think Nasruddin was good at archery? No, I don't think Nasruddin was good at archery because He was not able to aim the target in his first and second turn. It was only in third turn that he was able to aim the target fortunately. Read and enjoy. Nasruddin Hoja. One day, the king forced Nasruddin Hoja to go on a hunt with him. When the hunting party returned in the evening, it was wonderful. How did the hunt go? Did you kill any animal? No. Did you chase any animal? No. Did you see any animal? No. Then why do you say the hunt was wonderful? Oh my dear, when you go to hunt such dangerous animals, it is always marvelous not to come across any. Be a Nasruddin Hoja yourself. Are you hurt? What would you have done if your grandmother slipped? I would have helped her to get up and have given first aid. Word building. Shoot the arrow and hit the target by matching the words with their correct meanings. Chatting. It is an informal talk. Amazement. Greatly surprised. Archery. Shooting with a bow and arrow. Defending. Protecting from attack. Target. The goal intended to be hit. Triumphantly. Happy and proud. Replace the bold word or words with a word from the quiver and rewrite the sentence. In no time, she hit the object she aimed at. In no time, she hit the target. Nasruddin was surely not a good archer. Nasruddin was certainly not a good archer. The teacher said something about his good handwriting. He felt very happy. The teacher remarked on his good handwriting. He felt very happy. Let's write. This is a picture of Rahul Gupta. Using the clues given, write a paragraph about him in your notebook. What are the clues given? Indian, cricket, 8 hours, practices, eats healthy food, runs 2 kilometers every day, and batsman. This is Rahul Gupta. He is an Indian. He plays cricket very well. His aim is to become a part of Indian cricket team. He practices cricket for over 8 hours a day. He is known to be a very good batsman among his friends. He also takes great care of his health. He eats healthy food like milk, eggs, and meat. He exercises daily and also runs 2 kilometers every day to stay fit and fine. This is Rajiv family. They are a healthy family. See what each one does to remain healthy. This is his father, mother, Sita, grandpa, grandma, and Rajiv. Use the words and or but and make as many sentences as you can about Rajiv's family. Grandpa and grandma get up early in the morning. Grandpa is walking but Rajiv is jogging. Sita and Rajiv exercise daily in the park. Sita likes to run but Rajiv likes to walk. Father and mother take care of their body. Father is working out with dumbbells but mother is doing yoga. Grandma and grandpa eat healthy food. Grandma is having milk but grandpa is walking in the park. Fun time. Watch the arrow pierce the apple. Would you like to see the arrow piercing the red apple? Bring the page close to your face. Touch the star with your nose and then look at the picture. You can see the arrow piercing through this apple. Let's play. Fill in the grid with words given below. You can use one word more than once. What are the words? Stick, bat or ball, 11, table, racket, ball, stadium, football, 2-4 and ground. Here is the name of the game. What you play with, where you play it and number of players. The name of the game is cricket. You play with bat and ball and in stadium you play. Number of players required 11. Name of the game is hockey. We play with stick. In ground we play and 16 players are required. Name of the game is table tennis. We play using racket and it is played on table and 2 to 4 members are required. The name of the game is football. We play it with football. We play it on ground and 11 players are required. Using the information in the grid, write a sentence about each game. One has been done for you. Cricket is an outdoor game. We play it with a ball and a bat. There are 11 players in this game. Football is an outdoor game. We play it with a football. There are 11 players in this game. Table tennis is an indoor game. We play it on a table with a racket. There are 2 to 4 players in this game. Hockey is an outdoor game. We play it with sticks. There are 16 players in this game. The following words are used in various sports. List them under the sport that they are used in. Googly, goal, LBW, penalty, free kick and penalty corner. Some words may be used in more than one game. Hockey. In hockey, what are the terms used? Free kick and penalty corner. In cricket, googly and LBW. In football, goal and penalty. Team time. A puppet head. You can use an old tennis ball which has lost its bounce to make the head of a puppet. She looks like a little girl in a skirt and is very quick and easy to make. Look at the picture carefully and you will see how she works. Your fingers are her arms. You need a tennis ball, needle, wool and a colored cloth. Method. Start with the head. Make a small hole in the ball and push a long, thick knitting needle, about size 3 into it. The needle goes in on one side and right across inside the ball to touch the opposite side. The hole needs to be very small so that it is difficult to push the needle in. In this way, it will fit tightly and remain firm when you play with your puppet. Now cut the thick top of an old nylon sock and stretch it tightly round the ball, sewing it together down the back. Take some colored wool and stick on the ball. Make plaits. Paint the eyes and lips on the ball. Cut 2 holes in the colored cloth to put in your fingers. Hold the needle in your hand to hold your puppet. This is how it finally looks like. Write 2 sentences on your puppet. I am a puppet and my name is Dora. I will dance as you direct me. Thank you, kids.